Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to go live on TikTok in 2020 without 1,000 followers. This is a free and easy way to get that done without the 1,000 followers. So first things first, you guys want to head over to the TikTok application, open that up, and then once you're on TikTok you want to head over to the Me tab. And as you guys can see, I don't have anywhere near 1,000 followers right now, and I have tested this out and it does work. So what you want to do once you're on the Me tab here is you want to go click on the three dots in the top right corner. And then you want to scroll down and you want to click on Report a Problem. Then once you're here, you guys can scroll down and click on the live/payment/rewards option. Sometimes they do update this though, so if you're seeing something different, just click on one that says live. You just want to make sure it's for live. And then once you're on here, you can click on hosting live. And then you could put I cannot start or I can't start a live. And then once it asks you is a problem resolved, you can click on no. And you click on still have a problem. So it tells you to tell them your feedback, so you can just let them know, hello, I would like to create live videos for my followers. It used to work and now it's not working. So you can just leave that there and then click on report. And then you can just leave this and click done. So now you can track this through your email and you will get let known if anything happens with your report. It does take a day or two, guys, so don't freak out if you don't hear back right away. I really hope this helped you guys out. I really hope you guys are able to start doing live with your followers. If it did help you out, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching.